Since the dawn of time, man has studied the fates of the beasts. Now you can witness nature as never before. Life magazine and WNET present the world's premier wildlife cinematographers who ventured into the jungles, traversed the Arctic wastelands, and explored beneath the seas to produce the best wildlife footage ever seen. These are breathtaking images, the choice moments from one of the most highly acclaimed nature documentaries in the history of television. Life magazine proudly presents one of the finest wildlife videos ever produced, the greatest moments in nature. This extraordinary program from the Nature Video Library took years to document and is available nowhere else. And now this collector's video can be yours free with your paid subscription to Life magazine. You'll receive 13 issues of Life, including 2 special issues, The Year in Pictures and 40 Years of Rock and Roll, all for 4 monthly payments of only $7.97 each. Life magazine is the picture monthly that keeps you in touch with the human side of major events and takes you behind the scenes to the colorful, touching, dramatic, and personal stories of today. Let greatest moments in nature take you on a 45-minute journey into a world that few people have ever seen. Call now and receive a video that will open your eyes to the wonders of nature. Amazing, magnificent, and best of all, it's free. So call now and get this spectacular nature video and 13 issues of Life, including the 2 special issues, The Year in Pictures and 40 Years of Rock and Roll. Take advantage of a wildlife offer that won't last long. Call now.